is up, guys? So today I'm with my good friends MG Productions, otherwise known as Kason, one half of MG Productions, and Kidney Stone, as always. Today we're doing a game, kind of, called Guess the Car by Its Sound Challenge, and the video we're going to be using is GeoBaz's video, and we're going to see who can get the most ones right. We don't even have a prize, so screw that. I don't know. Winner gets a bottle of Mountain Dew.
I could go in there and... Yeah,
exactly, that's the point. That's the point. But anyway, let's get started. This isn't part of one yet. Okay.
Not Jordan's truck.
Okay, so. Alright, here's car number 1.
Civic.
G35. Or not G35.
Wait, don't guess yet.
350Z.
Don't guess yet. I know this one, so.
Supra?
Have we not guessed it yet?
What do you mean you don't know?
I just know the engine.
He's gonna...
Alright, so.
Oh,
final guesses.
It doesn't tell you until
it doesn't tell me.
It
doesn't.
Oh, okay. So let us know whenever that happens. Okay.
So he's already there. So,
Well, it's not there yet. Okay, take a guess. We don't think it is. Final guess.
I wanted it. Oh, man. At first, it sounded like a 4-cylinder. That first part.
I'm looking at the answer right now. Sorry.
2J.
You're halfway there.
So it's the
It could be
Supra?
You were correct.
Well,
It's the first one to answer, kid.
yeah. Nice. Nice.
Right here. Alright, so here's car number 2.
It could be anything. It's so loud. The audio is just so hard to really get a good cam.
Okay, yeah, you're not gonna guess this one. Take a guess. I'll give you a hint. It's not American.
Volvo.
Not a Volvo. It's German.
Audi. Audi.
But can you guess which Audi model?
TT?
Nope.
No,
TT's.
God, no. That's a 5-cylinder. That's an Audi A.
Not an A.
Yeah.
Nope. It's in the RS line. That's your last hint.
Yeah, I don't freaking know.
Audi RS6 Avant wagon.
You didn't let him guess, but okay.
I didn't know.
That's a wagon?
Yeah.
God.
Ew!
That's a V8, I'm guessing. Or maybe a really messed
And they
up
have V10s too. They have the R8 engine.
Good Lord.
Is this the next one?
Yeah, here comes car number 3.
Definitely a muscle car. Okay, maybe not.
I think I know what that is.
Sure is.
I think I know what that is.
God!
Audio's just terrible. Speakers are gone.
Alright. Oh, I got it right. I'm not gonna tell you guys.
A Corvette?
Is it Chevy?
No.
Alright.
It is American. It is American.
It's gonna be a Ford, a Dodge.
What do you mean? No, you have to guess the car.
Alright.
Gotta guess the exact car.
Don't give him those hints. That's butt cheeks.
Yeah, that was.
Don't
All
tell him.
I'm telling you is it's American. That's all I'm gonna tell you. Shut up, Instagram.
Gosh. Hang on.
Was it Hemi Cuda?
Close.
Close. Was it the
Dodge Ram?
No, but it
3.8?
shares an engine.
What? You said what?
What happened?
Okay, it just flashed.
Is it the 392?
Boss
No,
No, that's a Mustang.
No.
Okay, so your last hint. It shares parts with the Ram, but it's only the engine.
So it's gonna be a Hemi.
Halfway there.
Yeah, it's gonna be a 5.7.
Charger.
Nope. Close.
Challenger.
Mm-hmm.
Challenger RT.
SRT.
Really?
Really? It was just a Challenger SRT?
SRT's not the Ram engine. That's the RT.
392. 392. When I said that, I mean it shares.
I
It's
said
not
392 or 3.
You said 302, which is the Ford Mustang.
No, he said 302. I said 392 and he said 302.
That's what
I
I heard.
said 392.
Alright.
Man, I got that.
Okay, Casey gets a point. Alright.
You're gonna have to put a point counter on there.
Yeah, I know. Alright.
Are you gonna?
Okay, car number 4.
This is some classic car. I don't even know.
I don't even know what this is.
Is it before the 2000s?
I don't even know what it is.
Oh no, it's
Oh yeah,
turbo.
we have to wait till the end. No, that's a turbo. Yeah, it's turbo. Yeah, I don't know why I thought it was super.
Yeah. I can't tell. That's almost like a supercharger. Almost.
No, it's definitely a turbo or maybe a pro.
It might. Oh, pro charger. Yeah.
Yeah. It's like
Oh, that's not classic at all.
No.
now. How new?
It's pretty new, but you're never gonna guess it.
How about this? Is it like American?
It's Swedish. I'll give you a hint. It's an exotic, but it's Swedish. So it kicks Volvo out of the entirety.
I always think Volvo because of that V8 they have in some of their cars. Swedish.
I'll give you a hint. It's a really long name
Yeah.
for the brand name.
Lamborghini.
No, it's like Swedish.
I don't know.
Really long name for the brand name. It's gonna be.
I'm gonna give you a really
Maserati.
Good... Maserati's Italian.
I don't care.
I'll give you last
I
hint.
don't know any
Yeah,
Swedish
last
cars.
hint. All right, let's go.
The name of the brand starts with a K.
Kazuma.
Hold on. I don't.
And there's a
I'm
wheel.
only an American and Japanese car person.
Yeah,
I
I
don't
don't
really
know.
pay attention to German.
All right, you'll give up.
Yeah, I give up. I don't know about him.
Koenigsegg. Oh my god, I forgot about them.
I don't even know what that is.
Koenigsegg.
I've never heard of it.
All right, here we go.
Crazy.
Here you go. Car number 5.
That's a turbocharger.
Don't guess yet. I got you. Sorry.
All right, what y'all got?
Is it by Nissan?
It is the
It's an
Nissan.
RB. Is it gonna be
The 350Z.
No, it's the
Nope.
70Z Skyline.
Which
R34.
one?
R34.
You nailed it on the head.
God.
Told you, I'm a Japanese car guy. Yeah.
I see why I want one so bad.
That was a beautiful one too. That
My
was
viewers
so
don't know
good.
about that. Car 6.
Is that part of the car?
This is blow valve. I
That's
think
a
I know
4-cylinder. That's gonna be alright.
It's not a 4-cylinder.
Alright, whatever. Fine.
Oh yeah.
It's gonna be a Subaru WRX.
On the head again.
Is it a 4-cylinder?
Yeah.
Really?
All Subarus are 4-cylinders.
Except for some that have a flat 6.
Well,
God,
those are the ones you never hear about though.
That's not crazy.
Yeah, the Legacy has one.
Yeah, no one cares about the dang
All right,
things.
car
It's got the
number
same hood
7.
as the WRX, so it's weird.
Car number 7.
Yeah, I can. Maybe. Maybe not. Audi V10.
Is that your?
Alright, V10.
Let's find out. I bet it's probably that or another car.
Oh.
That sounds exactly like an Audi.
It shares the engine with the Audi.
It's gonna be a Lamborghini Aventador.
No,
You got it. You got it.
What
Is it a Gallardo? Oh, you can run.
Oh, nice.
Alright, here we go.
They all sound the same, honestly.
Alright.
All the Lamborghinis, they almost all sound the same.
All right, car number 8. I think I know what this is. I know what that is.
Oh, that sounds so familiar.
I know what this is.
Turbo squeals.
That's the HKS blow valve. I know that north a mile away. This one should be easy.
What, hold on. What is it?
That was a rotary.
Rotaries can be
Oh,
RX-7.
RX-7. I don't know who said it first, so.
Alright, let's tie. Alright, we'll just tie.
We'll just
both
count that
basically-
one. Because y'all both said RX-7 at the same time.
Yeah, I could kind of hear at the end before it cut off the that those give off the.
Alright,
Yeah.
that's the end of that video.
Yeah.
Hey guys, just want to thank you all for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. We'll be doing this a lot this week due to Tropical Storm Irma having come through our state by the time you guys are seeing this. Basically, Thursday's video will be an update on the sport track itself or a new car hunt announcements. Of course, the likelihood of the sport track taking any sort of damage is incredibly low, so I wouldn't really count on seeing a car hunt beginning video on Thursday. But that's kind of just the rundown for this. We'll be doing more videos like this throughout the week. There's a possibility we'll be doing bonus videos on this week as well. And hopefully everything goes to plan. And Thursday's video will be an update in the sport track and how it fared because it is parked outside currently. But yeah, so if you enjoyed this video, leave a like, subscribe if you are new to my channel. I'll be uploading every Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday, with the exception of bonus videos like ones that are uploaded on Monday and Friday. But anyway, thank you guys again for watching. See you guys next time.